lahat mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga kasama dyan sa United Kingdom, Kuya Jun and company. It's been a long time. I haven't seen you guys. But anyway, I would like to thank you, each and every one of you, for taking this initiative to support the Vice President, si Inday Sara. As I have always consistently maintained, at mortal peril to my life, Marcos is not a legitimately elected president. Minanipula ng kanyang asawa, of course, with the agreement of Marcos and cooperation of Smartmatic, nadagdagan yung kanyang boto. In that regard, they cheated the elections and he has no right to office. So, Inday Sara remains the legitimately elected highest official of the land. Because of these facts, Inday Sara represents a mortal political peril to the Marcoses in two aspects. Unang aspeto, Inday Sara remains the biggest stumbling block to the Marcoses' quest for unlimited power. Kasi nga gustong gawin presidente ang anak beyond 2034. So, hindi aalis si Marcos, or especially yung asawa niya, will want to control the government beyond 2028. But there is Inday Sara, the biggest stumbling block to their want for that control. The second one is that Marcos is facing serious allegations of drug addiction, which can be considered serious illness within the meaning of our constitutional provisions on the executive department. So, pag natanggal si Marcos, siyempre ang papalit, legitimately elected vice president, si Inday Sara. So ito yung dalawang mortal political peril that the Marcoses are aware. And that is why they are using every agency, every instrument of government to eliminate Inday Sara. So si Inday Sara is a victim and wala po siyang kakampi sa gobyerno kundi tayong mamamayan lamang. By going out to the streets, voicing our opposition, our support for our legitimately elected vice president, we make it very difficult for Marcos to control our country and our people. Remember, election cheats have no place in our society. They are an anathema to representative democracy. Thank you for going out to the streets. Thank you for voicing your support for the legitimately elected vice president. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and God bless us all.